Grabe eh. Hindi kayo masira itong rampa nito, no? Oh, wala ka diha! Kawawa yung barko namin, no? Maalo, no? Sabagay kung hihilain, malapit yung bubusbaw. Ayan na. Grabe oy. Wala ka diha. Sus. Kaya pala dito na tatanggal yung mga rampa sa lugar na to. Patibayan talaga. Welcome to the world of adventure. Punta kami sa Madilan. The first unang lugar na naglanding Madilan dito sa Munhon. Kaya yung pupuntahan namin. This is an opportunity. Diba, guys? Kasi dito sa lugar nito, bihira yung access. Walang sasakyan. Walang text, walang call, walang net. Kaya punta kami. Mga ating dala. Grabe yung barko, talagang galaw na galaw. Come on! What are you doing there? Punta na kami doon sa Madilan. Malayo-layo, mga 1 kilometro. Pero lalakarin lang na yun. Wala kasi, may ating doon sa taas. Sasakay ko pa ng cargo truck. The only people you can see is those mining people, working people. Okay ba dito dadaan papuntang Madilan? Pwede no? Shortcut? O ne, layo. Laong di tayo. Puhunas maron. Oh, mamitin na ko ba para ating short. Kanang alawis, kanang alawis. Ah, oh, sige, sige. Mamitpid na ko. Patay ni, mamitpid daw. Diyos ko. Pero ano ito eh, once in a lifetime opportunity. Kung sasadyain mo ito, ang laking gasto. Sakay ka pa aeroplano, sakay ka pa ng pambot, sakay ka pa ng habal-habal, Kristos, Ginoo. Guys! Look at this rock formation! Bihira lang itong marating ng tao. Ang nakakarating dito, mga basura. Yan, ganyan. Pero, wow. It looks like a pine tree. Look at the leaf. Yeah. It's a pine tree, man. The stones look so mineral stone. The color. Different color. Yeah, basura oh. We're almost there. Oh. You see the stone is getting red because of the, I think it's the pollution of the, you see? Of the what you call the stuff that we will load. Like a red clay, and then when it's raining, it is drifted towards here. Rivers, tabi ha, tabi. So, tabaan kayo ko bay. Sana patawarin ako ng mga may-ari dito sa mga bato nito. Nakakaintindi naman yan sila. Makadaan kaya ako dito na hindi ako mapadpad. I try. Hoy! Nasaan na kayo, guys? Hey! Wala yung kasama ko. Oh my God. This is it. We're almost there. But on the way, wow. Be careful, Arnolfo. Be careful, Arnolfo. Be careful. So, hoop. Naku, baka malalim ito. Diyos niyo. Hoop. Subukan ko yung paa ko. Hoop. Okay, ang lakas ng agos, guys. Naku, madala yata ako ha. Hoop. Hop! Hop! Okay. Step by step a little. Hop! 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 Good. Hop! Good. So, pabitawan yung cellphone ha. Okay. Hop! Gandahan ng Lord. Arnolfo, mag-ingat ka. Yes! I made it. I made it, man. I crossed the river. Woo! Look at this tree. I don't know how many years she's been here, but she's rotting, man. Look at the river. Oh, may niyog. Actually, make a habit, kung nasa tapat ka ng niyog, kailangan tumingin ka sa itaas palagi. Dahil may mga puno na mga patay na yung bunga, madaling mahulog yun, mahulugan ka. Kaya mayroon akong tip sa inyo. Lalo na mga taga-syudad, sisilong ka agad ng niyog, tapos hindi tumingin, nahulugan na. I'm tired, baby. I'm tired. Nahulugan ng niyog dahil hindi tumitingin. Be observant of the surroundings. Yun lang. Observant ka talaga dahil may mga places na slippery, rugged stone, thorny stone. Yan. Whew. Somebody told us that there is a part here that you have to walk on the water. So we have not arrived yet. Hey! Are you okay there? See? They walk slow. They're still very young, but they walk slow. But thank God, I walk fast. I'm very old, but I walk fast. Thank you, Lord, for giving me good health. That's always I am asking. I don't ask for money, luxury, but health. That is the best thing that we have. No matter how much money you got, how many billions you got, if you are sick, you are vegetable, man. Yeah. Parang nagalit ako ha. That is my way of speaking, like I am always angry. So my apologies, but I'm not really angry. This is another mineral water here. Look at that. It came from the wild. See? We're almost there, guys. You see that kubo there? That's the place where Magellan landed here 500 years ago. In March 17, 1521, but Magellan discovered in March 16, 1521. So they landed here on the 17th. Imagine that, guy. I am here sitting on foot on a 500 years history. We are here. It's not a river, but this is actually the place where Magellan landed, in this place. You see? No people, no soul. Access is very hard. Oh, may nag-ihaw dito na. We'll take a rest for a while. Check if there is snakes there. Yeah, And snakes would really love to stay over there at the roof. Yeah. So we have to check. That is what I am doing. Check the surroundings for anything unusual. Good. All clear. So we have to sit down here. Medyo oras, it's 30 minutes walk. This is guys, nandito na kami guys. Pero wala mang even na structure na. Pero ito yung kahit sa mapa, Magellan Place na kalagay dito. Ay, where? Yeah, I think there's another well, I think this is it. Wala dyan! Dito na! Oh, yeah. My goodness. I cannot believe I've been here. The place of history. Oh, dara. Well, the evidence is here. I'm not kidding, man. I'm standing right in front. Oh. The evidence is here. Humunhon. Dito unang dumaong ang expedition pinapanunganahan ni Fernando Magallanes patungong Moluccas 17 Marso 1521. Araw ni San Lazaro na ipinangalan sa buong kapuluan. Naganap ang unang pakikisalumamuha ng mga katutubong Pilipino sa mga dayuhang Espanyol at pagpalitan ng mga regalo. So there was a barter. 18 Marso 1551, nagtagal ng 8 araw ang grupo ni Magallanes kung saan sila nagpagaling at nagpahinga. Lumisan 25 March 1521, that is 500 years ago, man!